If you want to lock apps on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then unfortunately there is no dedicated feature or option that would allow you to just simply create a password for apps. But we have an alternative that we can use, and that is the secure folder. So to set up the secure folder, we have to open security and privacy in settings. Then over here, go to more security settings. And then in here, we can find the secure folder. So we're going to tap on continue. We need to grant all the permissions, and then we can create it. You will have to set up the password for the secure folder. So now you can probably start getting the idea of how it works. So we create the password. Let's say I'm going to set up a simple simple pattern. We need to enter our password twice and then confirm that we want to do that. You can allow yourself to use the Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case it is incorrect, in case you forget it. So if you tap on allow, then of course you can use the Samsung account, but it is not necessary, it is not required to do so. So once we have everything set up, we're gonna tap on the next. Then you can choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. In my case, I allow background activity. Then we have the option to hide the secure folder for more privacy. And there we go, we have our secure folder created. So the secure folder can be found in the app drawer. And now how we can use it in order to lock apps. Of course, the secure folder has the password. We can lock the secure folder in order to lock the access. And only if we unlock the secure folder, then we should be able to have the access to these apps that we have inside the secure folder. Now, to lock an app, we can use this plus button, and you can choose one of these apps that you wish to lock that you already have installed. So if I want to lock Facebook, I can just select it in here. I can also choose Instagram, for example, and then we're gonna add it. Now, as you can see here in the secure folder, we have Facebook and Instagram as I selected. But also, if I exit the secure folder, I can still find Facebook and Instagram somewhere up here. I'm not sure where I have Instagram, but it is definitely there. There we go. Here is Instagram. So how does it work? The secure folder is pretty much a separate instance, a separate environment that we have inside the phone. So the Facebook app and Instagram app that I added in here, they contain different data that is completely separated from the same apps that I have outside of the secure folder. So the idea is that you install apps in the secure folder and you remove apps from your phone. So if I now uninstall Instagram, for example, over here, of course the app is going to be removed. But if I go to the secure folder, I still have the Instagram. So this is how I can lock apps. You just put them into the secure folder. Unfortunately, we cannot move apps from our phone into the secure folder. We have to install them, which means that you have to set them up if it is necessary, of course, for an app. But any data that you have outside of the secure folder, it cannot be really transferred. You have to set it up from the scratch. And you don't have to have the app installed on your phone in order to add it into the secure folder, because you can also use the Play Store. You can just simply go to the Play Store, you can sign into a Google account, and then you can download apps from the from the Play Store without having to install them on your phone. And you can also use the Galaxy Store as well, if it's necessary for you. So that's pretty much it. By the way, I can recommend you, of course, tapping on these three dots in order to find some additional options that are worth checking out, like for example the customization of the appearance of the secure folder in the app drawer. You can also go through some of these settings. That is probably quite useful. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.